A machine with hydraulic failure affects both work continuity and safety. It would be ideal if you could reduce the risk of unforeseen downtime. This saves a lot of money and increases safety.
The most important thing about preventive maintenance for us is that we don't have any downtime on the machines, that those can just keep running. In addition, also a great level of safety, because we are sure that those hoses cannot just burst.
With Total Hose Management from Pirtek, you proactively reduce machine downtime. We inventory your entire hydraulic hose package and check it for quality and durability according to industry inspection standards. We share the inspection results with you and advise you on maintenance. Rejected hydraulic hoses are replaced after consultation.
Pirtek's Total Hose Management System allows me to see which hoses need replacing. With help from this overview, we can schedule the work in our regular maintenance and invite Pirtek for the realization. With the Pirtek software package, you have ongoing access to the status of hose maintenance. You can schedule regular maintenance well in advance.
At agreed intervals, we will visit you to update the entire process. With Total Hose Management, we ensure less risk of downtime and more safety. You have better assurance of liability and duty of care. If you have a hydraulic breakdown, we will be on site within 1 hour after your call. Fast, reliable, safe, just Pirtek.